Hi guys, Bruce Johnson here with Epic Real Estate Investors and LocalPropertyTour.com. Standing in front of our property that we're going to be showing tomorrow on our local property tour, Saturday morning, 9 o'clock. Nice little downtown house here in Barrington. So we've done a lot of work on the house in the last 6 weeks or so. You guys are going to have a chance to see a property that's been totally gutted to the studs, been rebuilt. We actually tore the second floor off it, put a new second floor on to add more living space. And we're going to be showing it tomorrow. So if you guys want to come out and see the bare bones of a 100-year-old house, see the old knob and tube wiring, old balloon framing, all those kind of fun things on the first floor, we basically are reinventing the inside of the house. It was really just a mess. I mean, the way that the stairways were and all of that, it was just really functionally obsolete. But anyway, we're going to be here tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock. If you guys are going to come out, go ahead and go to our website, localpropertytour.com. Let me show you the sign. Plan to arrive a little bit early because we're going to start promptly at 9 o'clock. We've got a lot of information we're going to share with you. We're going to go through how we find these properties, how we fund them, how we fix them, and how we flip them for maximum profits in today's competitive market. So look forward to seeing you guys in the morning, and have a great day. Bye-bye.